In this factory, using the most advanced technology, employed by an experienced and dedicated team of workers, 3 of the most important equipment lines in infrastructure maintenance and improvement are built. Vactor, the world's leading brand of sewer cleaning equipment. Guzzler, the world leader in industrial vacuum loaders. And TruVac, the nation's premium brand of vacuum excavators. They are all built here in Streator, Illinois, in a 400,000 square foot facility staffed with over 500 skilled craftsmen. The work they do here has one purpose: to design and build the industry's most innovative equipment to create a cleaner, safer, and healthier environment in communities around the world. The roots of this effort began more than a century ago. The Meyer-Sherman Company was founded in 1911, making agricultural equipment. But with a growing need to maintain expanding infrastructure, the company designed and manufactured a line of sewer and catch basin cleaners for the municipal market. And in 1969, Meyer-Sherman engineers designed and built the first combination sewer cleaner featuring water jetting and vacuuming. From that moment, the innovations kept coming and continue to this day, all from this state-of-the-art facility. Our goal is to create equipment that is more productive, fuel-efficient, ergonomic, easier to operate, simpler to maintain, a greater value that will deliver years of service, all while helping create a cleaner, healthier environment. It begins with a commitment to engineering excellence.
We start by going into the field to talk with our customers, see how they're using our trucks day to day, and get their feedback to really understand what they need from us. Our engineering group has decades of experience working with our customers, so we have a lot of knowledge and insight that help us solve their problems. Once the design is complete and the unit is built, we follow up our projects with customer visits to make sure the product is meeting their expectations.
Turning the engineering vision into reality is the job of Vactor's team of professionals. To build the equipment of tomorrow, they're building on over a century of manufacturing experience. Today, they employ the latest technology to deliver the most innovative and reliable equipment in the world. Take a tour of this factory, and you'll find advanced lasers and robotic welders assuring an unsurpassed level of precision in machining, fit, and finish. All key components are assembled right here. While metal is carefully bent, rolled, and shaped, quality is the primary focus at every step of the manufacturing process. Employing a multi-step painting process that includes blasting, washing, and sanding, workers assure not just that our equipment looks good, but that it will look good for years to come in even the harshest climates. After assembly is completed on multiple lines, each piece of equipment undergoes exacting product testing to make certain it meets the highest standards of quality and performance. And as part of our commitment to sustainability, Vactor is continually searching for and finding ways to be green, including a program recycling solvents.
We're proud to be certified to both ISO 9001, that's quality management, as well as ISO 14001, which is environmental management. This plant in Streator has been certified to these standards since 2005 and 2006, respectively. We use these management systems to document our processes, define and utilize quality controls, and continuously improve. These actions, among others, ultimately aim to increase our customers' overall satisfaction with our products.
Our commitment to quality can be seen in all 3 lines of equipment we produce in our Streator, Illinois facility. Our Vactor brand is the undisputed leader in sewer cleaning and maintenance equipment. Faster, quieter, safer, innovative, efficient, reliable, advanced in its design, simple in its operation. The Vactor line of equipment includes combination sewer cleaners, led by the 2100i, simply the most advanced machine in market, featuring our Intuit Touch controls. The Vactor line also includes catch basin cleaners, water jetters, and ACE easement machine. When it comes to vacuum excavation, our TruVac brand sets the standard for performance, quality, value, and dependability. The TruVac line is led by the heavy-duty performance of the HXX that introduced Vactor into the hydro excavating market. Developed in 1999, the HXX has continued to evolve to deliver ever greater power, performance, and convenience to operators, making it the most popular machine in the safe digging market. Finally, our Guzzler line of industrial vacuum trucks tackle the toughest cleanup jobs on the planet, removing, recovering, containing, and carrying waste materials. The Guzzler Classic has set the standard for power, performance, versatility, and reliability, and is part of a lineup that includes industrial vacuums, vacuum excavators, and offloading solutions. Since 1994, Vactor Manufacturing has been a unit of Federal Signal Corporation, a global leader in the manufacturing of innovative equipment that enhances the quality of life and protects the health and well-being of the communities where we live and work. Vactor, TruVac, and Guzzler are part of Federal Signal's Environmental Solutions Group that includes market leaders in equipment designed to maintain, repair, and safeguard infrastructure for municipal, commercial, and industrial customers. As part of Federal Signal, we can call upon its global resources to develop the technology of the future while supporting the equipment we manufacture today. All of these resources, all of this quality, all of the innovative equipment we manufacture, and all of our over 100 years of experience is brought to you by our vast dealer network. With more than 100 locations around the world, you're assured the highest level of service, support, and training. Efficiency, productivity, economy, innovation, unbeatable performance, enduring value. These are what separate Vactor, TruVac, and Guzzler equipment apart, and what you can count on day in and day out, year after year.
We are committed to creating value for our customers by providing innovative solutions that help them solve problems and meet their needs in the marketplace. We do this by listening to our customers, encouraging innovation and creativity, and by empowering our employees to have input into both the design and the manufacturing of our products. We take great pride in the work we do here. I think it's really important that we continue to invest in our employees and our community, and that we continuously improve and advance both our products and our manufacturing processes. I think it's critical that we continue to listen to and adapt to the needs of our dealers and our customers. Our future is very bright, and we are really excited about what lies ahead.
Vactor, TruVac, and Guzzler. Together, we are creating a more sustainable, healthier, safer, and cleaner environment for all of us.